You are using ChatGPT every day, but what if there is a better AI that nobody is talking about? Today I am breaking it down. Claude AI versus ChatGPT. No fluff, just the truth. So, ChatGPT is from OpenAI. Most people knew it. Claude AI is from Anthropic. And honestly, it's catching up fast. Both are powerful AI chatbots, but they are built differently. And that matters for how you use them. For writing, Claude wins. It sounds more natural, less robotic. If you are writing emails, essay or scripts, Claude give you content that actually feel human. ChatGPT is good too, but sometimes it sound copy paste. For coding, ChatGPT is slightly stronger, more plugins, more tools. But Claude handles long documents way better. Speed wise, both are fast, no big differences. Both have free plans. ChatGPT Plus costs $20 a month. Claude AI is also cost $20 a month, same price. So it comes down to you what you actually need. For students and businesses, students, go with Claude. It reads long PDFs, explains things simply and writes better assignments. For business owners, ChatGPT gives you more integrations and tools. But for content creation and client email, Claude is unbeatable. So who wins? Honestly, it depends on you. ChatGPT for coding and tools, Claude for writing and deep thinking. But if I had to pick just one for everyday uses, I will choose Claude. So drop in comments which AI do you use. And if this helped, smash that subscribe button. I am testing AI tools every week, so you don't have to. See you in next one. Bye.